Good morning, everyone. Chris Crosby here. Well, today's a big day. It's a big day for me personally. It's a big day for Endeavor CX, our company, and I believe for the contact center industry at large. I've been fortunate enough in my 30-ish year career now to have seen and played a part of multiple market transitions. 20 years ago, we were moving from TDM to voice over IP. 10 years ago, sort of began the migration from on-premise to the cloud, and CCaaS and SaaS taking over the world. And it's no secret then or surprise that the arrival of AI represents the largest opportunity for our industry to become what it can be. The problem is that the vendors that we've looked to that led the last market transition to the cloud are failing to lead this one. It's a different set of skills. It's a different competence. And instead, they've chosen hype over reality. They've chosen to issue press releases instead of issue release notes and ship product. They've chosen to change their messaging every quarter based on whatever the trend is for the day. I mean, this quarter, it's agentic AI. They've chosen high per agent per month pricing for bundles that are obtuse and don't drive actual results. And they've also chosen to lock up your data in proprietary formats and models and make it impossible for you to stay in control of your own destiny. So today we change all that. Today, I'm calling this the Great Contact Center Rewrite, and it is unprecedented in the size, scope, scale, and depth of what we are doing. So today we're not releasing a new product, we're releasing a new architecture for the entire industry that puts you in control, puts the data where it belongs, which is in the center. CCaaS is no longer the center of the universe, your data is. So over the next 12 weeks, we're releasing 12 products, not a singular product. We're shipping 12 new solutions that are going to transform the way you think about AI, the way you think about customer experience and agent performance and operational excellence. We'll be announcing some amazing things that you've never seen before, that I've never seen before. In my 25 years of building data teams and data products, we're talking about knowledge bases that construct and write themselves and curate themselves and deploy knowledge across the entire enterprise. We're talking about the ability to have a data scientist equivalent running on open source language models that will be able to pinpoint issues inside of healthcare plans, as an example. Problem with that, or the constraint to realizing our potential in the industry, is access to data in two forms of data. One is the contact call detail records and a transcript. Whether vendors want to tell you this or not, 80% of all use cases in the contact center AI space start with a transcript. We're talking call summaries, sentiment analysis, as well as identifying customer journeys and friction points or automating quality assurance. Today, those transcripts are locked up in proprietary systems that you got to pay a ton of money to get out, or you got to pay the hyperscalers a ton of money. Or you have to deploy a third-party solution, which costs a lot of money, and you got to engineer it to create an ecosystem to drive your downstream AI strategy. So the first product we launched today is Prism, and it is the first to market that is built on an open source model with a whole lot of pre-processing and post-processing know-how wrapped into that, but can connect to your contact center environment in as short as 15 minutes and start showing you insights. No code, no developing, no engineering, nothing. And it's per minute per talk hour. We're at 90% cost reduction over most of the models and transcription engines in the market today. What that does is it sets the foundation. So now you own your transcripts, you own your call detail data, and that serves as the library. It serves as your context. It serves as compliance. You now break free from having your data, your call recordings, your transcripts locked up in whatever proprietary system you're paying a lot of money for every month. And we're making it cheap, fast, easy. And this is the foundation. So over the next 12 weeks, as we release these new functionalities and features, you're going to be set. If you already have transcripts today, awesome, let's bring it aboard. And we can serve as your archival metadata layer now and forever.